Does cooking an Easter ham intimidate you? Today we're going to show you how easy it is to heat up and serve a ham with a really simple and delicious glaze. So the first thing you want to do with a ham is you want to trim off the rind. Score your ham in kind of a diamond pattern. So once your ham is fully scored all around, you're going to put it in a dish with a little bit of water in the bottom, and then you're going to cover it in tinfoil. Okay, so for the glaze, we've got half a cup of butter, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of our Meridian honey, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and then we're going to add some garlic. Next, we're going to just stick these cloves into the cross corners of the diamonds. It looks really pretty and adds some great flavor. Okay, so once you've got your glaze on, we're going to squirt some orange juice. So after 15 minutes of cooking at 425, we're going to pull it out and we're going to glaze it again and pop it back in for 15 more minutes.